Hello friends, I hope you're quite well. Today I have some infographics about business people invite service orders and delivery online. These are in APS file and PNG file. You can adjust your own logo color here, your website background, or your online service. You can use in online service. First I show you these are here, business online. You in tablet view. Delivery service, here is Vespa, and behind it product a person set a location. Okay, and here is smart service, received a product or your order by drone. Oh, business analysis, management or calculation, connection, and here is commitment, customer etc. Online shopping with debit card or smart card. Okay, so I drag this file in Adobe Illustrator. Okay, so I change debit color. Okay. Or dollar color. You fill color related your logo color. Or depend your own self. You can change one by one. I hope this data is useful for you. Subscribe our channel. Take care of this.